In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cross-board reporting dashboard in monday.com. To get started, open monday.com and create a new dashboard. This dashboard will act as a central reporting space where you can bring information together from several different boards into one clear view. This is especially useful when you want to track progress across teams, projects, or departments without having to jump back and forth between separate boards. Once the dashboard is open, select the multiple boards you want to report on. Choose the boards that contain the data you want to compare or summarize. The key here is to make sure you're pulling in the right sources from the beginning, because the quality of your dashboard depends on the relevance of the boards you include. If your reporting goal is focused on project health, for example, choose boards that track tasks, timelines, ownership, and status updates. After that, begin adding widgets to the dashboard. Monday.com gives you several useful widget options, including chart, table, numbers, battery, and timeline. Each one gives you a different way to understand your data. Chart widgets are great for visual summaries, table widgets let you see detailed records, numbers widgets highlight totals or key metrics, battery widgets help display progress, and timeline widgets are useful for tracking schedules over time. You can combine these to create a dashboard that feels both high level and detailed. As you add each widget, connect it to the correct boards. This step is important because every widget needs to pull from the right data source in order to display accurate information. Take a moment to confirm that each widget is linked properly, especially if multiple boards contain similar columns or project names. Keeping these connections organized will make the dashboard much easier to trust and use later. Next, apply filters based on status, owner, date, or project. Filters help narrow the dashboard so you only see the information that matters for your report. This is where the dashboard becomes much more powerful because instead of showing everything, it can focus on the exact slice of data you want to review. You can tailor it for active work, specific team members, time periods, or individual projects. Once your widgets and filters are in place, review the combined data across boards. Look through the visuals and summaries to make sure the information is accurate, aligned, and easy to interpret. This final review helps you catch anything that may need adjustment before others see it. When everything looks good, save the dashboard and share the report. That way, your team or stakeholders can access a single, organized view of performance across multiple boards. And that's how to build a clean, useful reporting dashboard in monday.com.